Cashews are a delicious and nutrient-packed dry fruit, offering a rich blend of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Here are 10 health benefits of cashews, dry fruit. Number 1. Supports. Heart health contains healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, lowering heart disease risk. Number 2. Rich in essential minerals. High in magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and copper, which support bone health, immunity, and energy production. Number 3. Boosts brain function. Provides healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which enhance cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 4. Aids in weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, cashews are packed with protein and fiber, promoting satiety and reducing overeating. Number 5. Improves bone strength rich in magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels, low glycemic index, and high fiber, and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar, making them a good choice for diabetics in moderation. Number 7. Enhances eye health, contains zeaxanthin and lutein, antioxidants that protect eyes from UV damage and reduce the risk of cataracts. Number 8. Boosts immunity, high in zinc and antioxidants, which strengthen the immune system and help fight infections. Number 9. Promotes healthy skin and hair, rich in copper, selenium, and vitamin E, which support collagen production, skin elasticity, and hair strength. Number 10. Prevents anemia. A good source of iron and copper, which help in red blood cell formation and prevent fatigue caused by anemia. Cashews contain tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin, improving mood and reducing stress.